I think I'm going to grab my big flashcards. Can you make sure you're sitting at the keyboard with me? And I want to do something called say it and play it. Okay, so I'm going to use these are my big flashcards. These are a lot bigger than your small ones that you get to work with your grown-up. Could we sing? The treble clef spacers are easy, you see, 'cause space rhymes with face, so spell F-A-C-E. I have my own prompt cards. There's my next one. A letter for each treble line. Every good boy does fine. Okay, when I turn the page, I want you to look at the note and figure out what its name is. Name it first, and then we're going to figure out where to play it on the keyboard. So we're going to say it and then play it. You ready for the first one? What do you see? Is it a line note or a space note? It's a space note. Bum, 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 bum. What is it? F-A-C-E. Where is that A on my keyboard? Is it above middle C? Is it below middle C? I think it's above middle C, so I'm going to find an A. Can you find an A on your keyboard? Does yours sound like mine? Did you find an A? Nice. Should we do another one? What do you see? Bum, 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 bum. What letter is it? It's a E. You got it. Where is that E? Is it close to middle C? Is it really far away from middle C? I think it's pretty close to middle C. Let's see, where would that be? Is that the E that you found, the one right above middle C? All right, let's do another one. That's an easy one. What is that note? Has its own line, like seriously, we know that one. Let's say it, and now let's play it. Middle C, you got it. Let's do another one. Ooh, what's that one? Space, the first space. Bum, 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 bum. What is it? That's our F. Where is it compared to middle C? It's pretty close. Where would you play it? I like that one. It's pretty much in the middle still. There's my F. Let's try another one. What's that note? Bum, 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 bum. It's one of my lines. Every good. You got it. Where would that be on our keyboard? Nice. Let's do one more. What is this one? Bum, 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 bum. Or I could know it another way, right? Space 1, 2, 3 is treble C. That's our treble C. So would I play middle C to play that one? Where do I play treble C? Where is it out on my keyboard? It's the one right above where my middle C's at. Can we play that one? Treble C. Nice job. You can do that easily at home with your own flashcards. Grown up, you can show the flashcard, and you may or may not have known this, but there might be a help on the back to help you make sure you're playing the correct white key. Or maybe you don't have time for the flashcards and you could pull out, do you remember when we played Smarties on the staff last week? Doesn't matter what note game you pull out as long as you're doing something to review those notes.